This analysis applies controlling Florida law and federal precedent to a contested DUI arrest. 5 legal questions, 5 controlling answers. No recap, law only.
What are you doing?
Hi, what are you doing?
What are you covering up?
I'm not covering anything up.
You literally just threw everything down onto the floorboard.
I was grabbing my bag for my license.
You were literally throwing shit down.
I'm parking here because I work here.
She tried covering something up on the floorboard. You know why I'm pulling you over?
Sienna.
You know why I'm pulling you over?
Why?
You're gonna give me attitude right now? Like you're
No,
annoyed? Because you went right through the red light in front of us at orange and white. Okay. What is working here driving through a red light on orange and Washington?
I'm late from break and I'm sorry.
You're late from break?
Yes.
Okay.
Where do you work?
Here.
Ma'am, do me a favor, put your car in park.
Yeah, it's
I can't because I pulled over because I saw you behind me.
Put your car in park.
yeah.
Jeez. You want to talk to me?
So what do you do for work?
What I do for work?
Uh-huh.
Sales vacation.
Sales vacation?
Vacation sales.
Okay. So there's an open bottle of tequila in the car.
There's a beat box back here as well.
A beatbox? That's like 3 weeks old.
Let's talk. How many drinks do you have today?
None.
No? Okay. Why is there an open bottle of tequila in the car?
There's not.
Why did you blow by that red light?
I didn't blow by a red light.
Okay, you did. Do me a favor, put your phone up there.
I'm not gonna hang up.
And just take your phone out. Right now you're detained for a traffic stop, okay? Do me a favor.
I'm already parked.
Ma'am, do me a favor, step out the car for me.
I'm gonna bring my car.
No, you're not, ma'am. Please step out of the car. Ma'am.
You can't take my phone.
All right, don't resist. You're gonna go to jail.
Oh.
It's not resisting.
You can't say
Stop. She's fighting. Stop. Let go. Do it now. I said let go. I said you're pulling your arm back.
I can have my phone.
You reek of liquor right now.
What is going on? Sienna, make sure you stay on the phone, please.
I wonder if she's involved in 73 too.
And 73? What is that?
We're not talking to you.
Yes, you are.
We're talking to each other.
Sienna,
What's on the back?
where's my phone?
It's up here.
What is going on with you today?
Sienna. She's over there.
What is going on with you right now?
Sienna!
You do not need to be here. I'm hanging up with you, ma'am.
No, do not hang up my phone. That's illegal.
Ma'am.
I have a brother that's a police officer.
Okay, well, guess
you
what?
hanging
You're
on my
looking at
phone
two
is
police.
illegal.
All right,
I'm doing her a
illegal.
favor because
How?
if she comes here to this location
She
and
won't come
obstructs this
here.
investigation, she goes to jail. So I'm
She
doing
will
her a
not
favor.
interrupt us.
She's literally looking for your location right now.
No,
Ma'am.
she's not.
Ma'am, you've been extremely uncooperative at this point.
I'm cooperative. What
You're
do
not.
you, what do you guys need from me?
You reek of alcohol.
What do you guys need from me?
I'm trying to talk to you. Stop talking
Okay.
over me. Answer
Okay,
my questions.
I'm sorry, sir.
How many drinks do you have? Because you reek of alcohol.
I have not had any drinks.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. So if I do some exercises, are you willing to do some exercises?
Is that legal?
You don't have to do them.
Okay, let's do it.
Do you want to do them?
Yes.
If I take you out of these handcuffs, are you going to cooperate?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I promise
If you act up, you will get charged with additional charges. Do you understand that?
Yes, I will not act up.
I'm out with you, right?
Yeah. I said 18. Check if they have 18 or 19.
I work here.
Where do you work?
This is Hilton. You might not see it on the building, but this is Hilton Vacation Sales. Okay?
How many drinks did you have today?
None.
Come over. Turn off your front lights.
Should I take them off?
If you would like to take them off, you have that opportunity to take them off.
It's okay.
Why did you urinate yourself?
I didn't urinate.
Why? What's that in the
I sat in juice.
Okay.
I just got tacos. I should have kept them.
All right. Do you want to take your shoes off?
No, it's okay.
Okay, come over. Do you take any medications?
No.
Have you had traumatic brain injury?
No.
Do you have resting nystagmus?
No.
Do you wear
What is that?
contacts?
I wear contacts.
Are you wearing them now?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Did you smoke any cannabis today?
No.
Did you do any other drugs?
No.
No? All right. So overall, are you healthy?
I'm healthy.
Okay. Can you come over here? Put your feet together. Face me. If you would like to take them off, that's 100% up to you. And get the 91 out of there too.
You know, you can't pull over somebody.
Ma'am, I don't understand. I don't know what you know, but you committed a traffic violation at Orange and Washington.
But you can't pull over somebody who's parked.
Who said that?
You can't.
Ma'am?
I know that.
Okay, ma'am. So, are you going to quit?
Yes, I am.
All right.
But I'm telling you right now, you cannot pull over somebody.
Okay, that's going to be our argument
ma'am,
once we're done with this. But as of right now, you are detained.
Can you put your feet together, hands onto your side? And do you have any medical conditions? Are you under the care of a physician?
No, sir.
All right. Can you straighten your head for me? All right. I want you to follow this blue light. It's called the stimulus. With your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Can I blink? Is that okay?
Can you keep your hands on
Sorry,
your
there
side?
was a raindrop on my head.
You're moving your head. So we're going to start this
Am I moving my head?
I'm not asking
No,
you.
I
I'm
haven't.
telling you you're moving your head.
How did I move my head?
With your neck.
I didn't. Sir.
You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're at the end.
Okay. And you're done? Are you done?
This is what you instructed me.
Okay, so you believe that to be my instruction? Okay, cool. Let's go. Come over here.
So
We're just moving on to the next part.
We're going on to the next one. All right. Come over here. Face me. All right. The next exercise we're going to do is the one leg stand.
1001, 1002. What am I counting to? 3?
You're going to keep counting until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay? So you may begin at any time. You may begin at any time.
Here?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Okay. So how many drinks did you have today?
I have not had any.
None at all.
No.
Yep. All right. Now you're additionally getting charged with DUI, okay?
Under Whren versus United States, any observed traffic violation supplies probable cause for a stop. A red light infraction under Florida Statute Section 316.075 qualifies. Stop attaches to the violation, not to the vehicle's location when contact is made. Parking after the fact does not extinguish the basis for the stop. Pennsylvania versus Mimms allows an officer to order any driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle. No additional justification is required. The order to place the car in park is within the same authority. Florida Statute Section 316.193 criminalizes operating a vehicle while normal faculties are impaired or with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08 or higher. Injury, a crash, or a roadside breath reading are not required to establish probable cause to arrest. Odor of alcohol, an open container, and observed driving behavior collectively satisfy the reasonable suspicion threshold to extend the stop. Florida Statute Section 316.1936 independently prohibits possession of an open container of alcohol in a motor vehicle. Field sobriety exercises are voluntary in Florida. The implied consent statute, Section 316.1932, applies only to breath, blood, and urine testing. Refusal of roadside exercises carries no automatic license suspension and no criminal penalty. On-camera advisement of voluntariness preserves the evidentiary weight of any exercise the subject performs. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's standardized battery, horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand requires medical screening for traumatic brain injury, resting nystagmus, contact lenses, and medication. Skipping the screening forfeits evidentiary weight.
No, I have not had any drinks.
Okay.
hospitalize me and see I have no drinks.
Well, that's up to the judge to decide. I made my determination post that based on my training and experience and all my other observations. So you're going to be afforded that opportunity to disprove what I believe.
What happens to my car?
It's going to get towed.
And you've been inside my car?
We will be because it's...
No, without legal...
Probable cause, first of all,
I don't
there's an
understand what you're
alcohol.
talking about.
No, you do. There's something on top of my car.
Yeah, the alcohol.
Get in the car,
So
please.
you went inside my car?
Ma'am, please get in the car.
So you went inside my car?
Yes.
We will go inside your car.
Without permission?
With probable cause. Get in the car.
Without permission.
With probable cause. Get in the car.
I need my phone.
You'll get that.
Do you have anything
Get in the
on?
I
car.
need my phone.
It's gonna
Get
come
in the
with you.
car.
Get in the car.
I
Get
need
in the
my
car.
phone.
You're going to get another charge.
Get in the car.
Do it now.
What's the other charge?
You already have a resisting charge.
right
Don't get
now.
another one.
We're giving you lawful order.
My phone
You need to
has
get in
a
your
You
car.
will
Your
get
phone
your
will go-
stuff.
Your phone will go with you, but it's not coming with you in the back of the car. It's going to come up front, and then it's going to go to you into jail.
So can you please get that?
Watch your feet. Watch your toes.
So what is it? You haven't told me the reason I'm arrested. You haven't told me.
I told you you're under arrest for DUI.
What? How? How am I arrested for a DUI? How? I'm not drunk. I haven't endangered
Oh,
anybody
you know
on
what?
the road. So how am I
Richard Johnson
arrested
has
for a
it.
DUI?
What?
Johnson probably has an Allen key set or an Allen.
I'm
Oh,
telling you right now, I have a brother who's a police officer, and I have an uncle who's a lawyer.
Okay,
So
man.
how am I arrested for a DUI?
You're under
You're
arrest for
about
DUI.
to face some real serious consequences. I'm
Okay,
gonna tell
man.
you that right now.
Okay, man.
I'm gonna tell you that now. And you know what? I hope this is worth your job. That's all I'm gonna say.
All right, ma'am. How are you?
Good,
Step
how are
on
you?
out. I'm just gonna search you, okay?
Search me?
Yes.
What do you have to search me for?
Because you're going to jail.
So, don't they search me when I get there?
No, we search you beforehand. It's a policy. So we have to search you now. Hold on a second. All right,
Does
come
that
on
make
out.
you feel tough?
Not really.
I
Okay.
wouldn't talk back if I were you, ma'am. Just in here, watch the car. Wind your stance. Sorry.
I'm telling
cough.
you right now.
Hey,
Hold on a second.
hold on. This thing's very
Oh, whoa. Yeah. Actually, here I got it. Here, just take it out.
I'm already going to jail.
Here, just take it out. It's already this way.
They already have me for a resisting as well, so
Yeah, so you.
I'm good.
Do not do that. Stop
Good.
moving your hand or you're going to get to the ground.
Are you gonna break my finger?
If you make it so,
Are you gonna
that'll
break
be
it?
not our fault.
Are you gonna break it?
You good?
Yeah.
Make sure that was.
You're searching me to go to jail. When they're already, don't push me.
I'm going to.
Stop pulling away from me.
Stop.
Don't. I'm not pulling away from you. I'm being arrested unlawfully.
Shoulder like this.
Record this if you can.
against the car.
Record this if you
We're
can.
recording right now.
No, they're recording as well. Are you gonna arrest them
Put
too?
your hand up there.
Because you guys
No.
hung up my phone.
Only you're going to
You
jail.
guys hung up my phone.
Okay.
You don't have a right to hang up my phone. You don't have a right to do that.
Sure do.
Oh my god, I feel violated. I'm being sexually assaulted.
Nobody's
I'm being
sexually
sexually assaulted.
I'm searching your
Help me.
Stop
Help
pulling
me.
away.
She's sexually assaulting me.
You put me on 19.
I will protect myself if you want to continue to do this.
And then you will get charged. You're already getting charged with resisting.
Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence requires only obstruction or opposition to a lawful duty. Fighting is not required. Pulling away from a lawful arrest qualifies. Tillman v. State, decided by the Florida Supreme Court in 2006, confirms that the lawful duty element is the legal core of the offense. Section 843.01 elevates the charge to a third-degree felony when violence is involved. There is no constitutional right to maintain a phone call during a lawful detention. Officers may secure personal property to prevent third-party interference, which would itself violate Section 843.02. United States v. Robinson permits a full search of the person incident to a lawful custodial arrest. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista confirms that custodial arrest is permissible for any offense supported by probable cause, including minor offenses. Florida Statute Section 784.07 enhances simple battery to a felony when the victim is a law enforcement officer engaged in lawful duty. Injury is not an element. Intentional touching is. Graham versus Connor requires force to be objectively reasonable from the perspective of the officer at the moment of the decision. Pain compliance during passive resistance sits at the lower end of the use of force continuum.
She slipped one of the cups
Get off
already,
my-
so just
I did what?
Rosario's being transported. Let's put her in Rosario's car.
This is not the right
Where's
way to hold
Rosario?
somebody. This is not the right way to hold
Stop.
somebody. This is not the right way to hold somebody.
Stop resisting, ma'am.
Not the right way. Not the right way. You're gonna get hot. Not
Stop
the right
resisting.
way. You're gonna break my arm. You're going to
Stop resisting.
You are going to break it yourself by dropping like that. You are going to self-inflict your injury when you drop all your weight to the ground purposefully, trying to make it difficult for us to walk.
Sorry.
improper.
I don't give a white.
Get in the car.
Really hurts my feelings.
She's actually Cuban. She's Cuban. Did she say race?
Grades. Lead officer B+. Correct Mimms invocation, accurate voluntary exercise advisement, compliant pretest medical screening, and contemporaneous narration during force application. Early tonal sharpness prevents an A-range grade. Subject D. Repeated incorrect legal assertions, physical resistance to lawful orders, and a serious in-the-moment allegation unsupported by the camera record. The available defense posture, silent invocation of counsel and refusal of voluntary exercises, was not used. An F is avoided only because no weapon was produced or threatened. Department B. Footage reflects accurate training in DUI procedure, standardized field sobriety administration, and graduated use of force. 5 lessons from this encounter. First, a traffic stop attaches to the violation, not the location of the vehicle when contact is made. Parking does not defeat the stop. Second, refusing voluntary roadside exercises in Florida carries no automatic license consequence. Refusing the post-arrest breath test does. The 2 statutes are not interchangeable. Third, resisting an officer without violence is satisfied by passive resistance alone. Dead waiting and pulling away are sufficient. Intentional contact crosses the line into felony territory. Fourth, family connections to law enforcement or the legal profession carry no procedural weight. Constitutional rights belong to every person equally and are not enhanced by relation. Fifth, the most consequential decision at the roadside is the choice between silence and performance. Voluntary cooperation freely given eliminates the cleanest available defense. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. If you found this analysis useful, consider subscribing for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.